In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $15,250 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Facebook. Okay, I will share with you guys new affiliate service that you should start promoting on Facebook if you want to earn some commission. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how we can join Fiverr affiliate marketing and how we can create an affiliate account like this one and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end because I will share with you some new methods that you should start using if you want to earn some commission with Fiverr affiliate marketing business. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel, just go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and scroll down and go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for with each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can make so much money with this business because it's really profitable. Okay, so anyways, just click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, and choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable service that you will promote on Facebook, and I will share with you guys how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link so you will earn commission. Okay, so what you will do next, just go back to your Fiverr homepage like this, and now I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Facebook. Okay, click over here on the search and you need to search for YouTube SEO. Okay, search for YouTube SEO like this, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are interested. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. So what you will do, I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who have a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose for example like this one, top rated seller. This one is top rated seller. He has 5-star, lots of reviews. Click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, as you can see. So what you need to do next, as you can see, this seller has a lot of orders in queue, so a lot of people are buying this service. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this seller profile link and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account like this. Okay, and click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here and click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Okay, so let's go to Facebook. Go back to your Facebook homepage like this. It's super easy. Click over here on the search and search for YouTube. Okay, search for YouTube and click on the search like this. Okay, you have here filters. Scroll down and click on groups. Okay, because we need Facebook groups. Okay, and here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups about YouTube that you need to join. So make sure to join all those groups, okay? It's for free, just join those groups, and after you finish, let's check, for example, this one. This one has really a lot of members, okay, as you can see, and it's public group. Make sure to join public groups, okay? And here you go, you will be directly in this group. Scroll down, and here you go, you will find a lot of people here who have YouTube channels, okay? So those people who have YouTube channels, they are using this group to grow their YouTube channels. They are helping like each others here in this Facebook group, and they are posting their YouTube videos links here to grow and get more subscribers and more views, as you can see, okay? This is a YouTube video link, okay, as you can see, okay? A lot of people here have YouTube channels, so those people will be interested to buy this service, YouTube SEO, okay, to optimize their YouTube channels and grow their YouTube channels, okay? So what you will do, you will go back, let's go back to this group. You will click over here on write something, okay? And you will create a public post. So go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, you have here about this gig. This is his description, okay? So what you will do, why are my video not showing up on the top? Okay, this is his description. What you will do, you will copy this this description, okay, like this. I will copy just this part. I will go back to Facebook. I will put this description here like this, okay. I will go back to my Facebook, to my Fiverr affiliate account. I will copy my affiliate link from here. If you don't have this old plan CPA, you can copy this Fiverr Pro new plan. It's almost the same, okay. Go back to Facebook and put your affiliate link here like this, okay, and here you go. This is your affiliate link, this is your description. Why are my videos not showing up on top? No matter how great your video is, you will get no views if you have not done the proper SEO and keyword research for title, for your title, description, tags, and more. It's really good. You can also even give it time, and you can create a description for this service by yourself, okay, to make it more professional. And after you finish, click on post, and this and your Fiverr affiliate service will be posted in this group, and people who are interested to grow their YouTube channels, they will check your service, and they will go back directly. They will be directly in this seller profile page. They will see the seller is top rated seller. He has a lot of orders in queue, a lot of reviews. As you can see, a lot of reviews here. Let me see. The seller has a lot of reviews, and he is providing a good service for his customers, okay. As you can see, like this one, everything about this gig was above our expectation. It's really good. People are happy with this service. These customers, the customers of this seller are happy, okay. Professional work, as you can see. So people who are interested to grow their YouTube channels, they will buy this service from your affiliate link, okay. And that's it. And make sure to join a lot of Facebook groups to increase your commission, okay. And if you don't want to post, for example, if you don't want to use, you can use another method, okay. Let me show you. So for example, like, let me see, let's check, let's find a good one like this one. For example, he is posting his YouTube video link here. What I will do, I will click on his name, and I will click over here on message, and I will send a professional message to this person, and I will ask him if he is interested to grow his YouTube channel with SEO services, okay. If he is interested and he is really serious about his YouTube channel, if he say yes, then you can send him this service, okay, as an affiliate link, and he will buy this service, and they will earn commission. It's really super easy, okay. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.